Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 40. On the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and get ready. Let's go. This is the ultimate comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at that. Woo! And the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Woo! Nice. Get ready. This is the ultimate comparison. Now, let's go to see the software. No, the hardware. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 3. This Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is your home button. You can see under a beautiful new white case with 13 megapixel with this beautiful camera. And wow, it's so nice with its beautiful S Pen. Wow, S Pen is here. You can do this to take your beautiful S Pen like that, and it's cool, it's good. You can write what you want on each screen. This S Pen is the first S Pen from Samsung and it's nice, very nice. Wow, you can do this to access to your beautiful phone. This is the hardware of the hardware presentation for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Let's go to see now the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is here. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, born on 2018. This phone is nice, it's very good, very beautiful, and as you see, wow, this is my new full glass screen protector and it's so wonderful. Look at here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. As you see, it's so wonderful. It's so unbelievable. It's amazing. It's practical. It's wow. It's wonderful. I like it. You can see here, there's something. This is a busy button. This is volume up and volume down. And when you turn, there are two beautiful cameras. Wow, you can also see this new LED. This is a new flash. It's amazing. Wow, this is power button, and under you can see this. Can you see something wonderful? This is the stereo speaker and USB-C and the power jack. Wow, it's so nice. And there is beautiful speaker also here. Here, this is a stereo speaker for this beautiful phone. Autofocus, wonderful. As you see, it's wonderful. Now, let's go to compare this hardware. Look at the screen. The screen of the both phone is great, but the screen of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is bigger than the screen of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think? What do you think? It's so nice and so big. Okay, now get ready. Now I want to make the software comparison. What is more speed than is is opponent? Who is the best here? Who is the best on the software mode? Who is the best between? Let's see this. Now, let's start by the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, look at that. It's low cheat. is low cheat? Who is the best? With the best between wow, S9 Plus is the best. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you see this? Wonderful. Okay, welcome back. Look at the both. So different. It's so different. Now, let me to put the password, okay, together. Let me to put the password. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Note 3, wonderful. Okay, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, beautiful. As you see, it's so clean, it's so clear, it's amazing, it's beautiful, it's wow. I like it. And look at the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. First phone is amazing and it's so beautiful. It's so wow, beautiful, and I like it. As you see, you can also access to the menu of the Samsung Galaxy S9 with S Note 3 here. It's also good and also fast. Look at that. Nice, very nice and very good. You can do this, but you can watch something with the S9 Plus, but you can use your beautiful S Pen here to watch something on your beautiful screen like that. You can write, for example, subscribe, no. Woo! Nice. You can save. And you can also use your S Pen to navigate to your phone. The things that you can't do with your beautiful S9 Plus. Can you see this? This is very different. Look at. This is also why I like more Samsung Galaxy Note than Samsung Galaxy S and another Samsung Galaxy in the world. This is great. As you see, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is so fast than the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has two beautiful camera, fast dual pixel camera, this is 12 megapixel, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 has only one camera. Can you see this? Wow. The buff is great. You can play game with the buff. Now, let's go to make a quick speed test with you. Okay, let's go to the comparison. Are you ready? Now, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, contact, phone, do this. Wow, what is the best for you? What is the best? What is the best? Messages, quickly. Ooh, wonderful. Okay. Let me show you all of this. Okay, right now the camera can turn and let go. Home, internet, 1, 2, 3, 4, launch. Ooh, is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. What are you doing? Not 9. What the hell? Close all of this page. Okay. To this. Close all opening page. Close all, and do the same action. Okay. Samsung Internet. No go. Wow, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus again is the winner here. Now let's go. We continue with camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Launch. S9 Plus is the winner again. Okay. Let's go. Are you ready to see? Don't forget to like and like a share, subscribe. Now we continue. Home. Let's go. Let's open now. Play Store. 1, 2, 3. Launch. S9 Plus winner. What? Is it a winner? Ah. Wow. Let's open again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this. Ooh, S9 Plus. Now, let's open another application like gallery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Launch. Who is the best for you? So to me, who is the best under the video. And look at now the camera comparison. Look at the difference between. Look at the difference. It's so different. Look at that. Look at that. There are many differences. Can you see this? Wow. Look at again. Amazing. Okay. Wow. What the hell? It's so beautiful. They both are beautiful. There are 2 megapixels here for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and 8 megapixels here for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at that. Let me show you this. Look at that. This is me. Look at my face, bro. Can you see this autofocus? What are you doing? Look at. Let me to make the autofocus wonderful. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. So nice. Now let me take the Samsung Galaxy S. Please have the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Turn. And look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's nice also. What do you think? Very nice. I see the both has a beautiful camera. Okay. Now we continue. Wonderful. We continue with another application like Instagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Launch. What the hell? Can you see this? With the best. I don't know. Retry again. Close all opening application. Like that. And launch the same Instagram application. Like that. Launch. Ooh, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's the winner. Okay. As you see, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 still a better phone that you can bought. on 2019. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is in front of you. As you see, it's so beautiful, it's working, and I like it. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 Note is not free, it's also beautiful. This is AMOLED display, Super AMOLED display, and it's so wonderful. You can navigate to your beautiful phone with a S Pen. This is a good thing for me. You can smart select. You can do smart select like that. Select this like that, and edit to share to your family and another. You can click on draw. You can draw something like that on this beautiful image. You can do this. You can do this. You can also erase all of this. Can you see this? You can click on crop and resize like that with your Samsung Galaxy Note. This is great. And click on save. Let's see your picture here. And it's good. It's now beautiful. I like it. I like this beautiful S Pen. And when you do this S Pen, you put like that with both button. You can appear. Look at like that. Wonderful. It's working. I like it. I see it's good. You can do the same action with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. But look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Can I take a beautiful picture like with this? Look at. To take a picture here, you need to make a screenshot. You need to hold the volume down here with power button in the same time. Power button here in the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, lot. I see it's done. You can do this to crop. Okay, the edit can start now. You can do this, resize like that. This is not possible for me. I like more of the Samsung Galaxy Note on this case. Like that, you can save and do this screenshot. And look at that. Woo! It's amazing. Look at the buff. What is the difference? Wow! This is amazing. This is the ultimate comparison of the buff. Look at that. There are more precision with the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Because they are S Pen to do this job, and you can see under here this line, this white line is not good for me, but you can edit again like that and do the same action like that for more performance. Save, and now it's good. You obtain now the same beautiful thing, and you can see the screen is so different. The quality of this image is so different. There are more color on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus than the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Look at that. This is amazing. This is the ultimate comparison. If you want to buy a Samsung Galaxy Note 3, you can do it. You can do it. It's beautiful. It's nice. And you can do many things with this. Many things with this. So both are good. They are so different. I like more of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 because they are expensive. I like also more the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus because it's so fast. And there are two beautiful cameras here to take a photo. Double click on the power button to access to your beautiful camera, photo, and now you can do this to take a photo. You can do this. 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 Great. And when you turn, you can see your beautiful phone is here. You can do this. Wow. You can also do this. Beautiful. Again, photo. Do this. Photo. And you can see your photo here. Good. Nice. Good. Nice. Good. As you see, it's so practical. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 3, you can do this on the home button, double click to access to the camera. And you can also see a beautiful thing, the same things, do the same action. Look at. Wow. I see it's good. For a flash, take a photo, you can deactivate the flash directly here and take the same photo like that. You can zoom like that on this picture. Okay, you can zoom like that and take a beautiful picture. Wonderful. Let's see. Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. It's nice. Wonderful. Many more quality. This is with flash. This is without flash. This second without flash and zoom. This is zoom plus zoom. Can you see? Wonderful. I like it. I like this. Look at that. Beautiful. This is what? Settings. Let's go on settings. About phone. Software information. Here. This is Android 6.0.1. Do this. Wonderful. Name MC and wow. And what is this? This is One UI. One UI, bro. One UI Android 9P. Settings. As you see, look at the evolution on Samsung or Android OS. The Android OS, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the evolution sort of information. Android 9. This is Android P, and look at that on 2019. The Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is good, but the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is the best evolution of the generation of Samsung Galaxy devices. As you see, it's good, and the Samsung Galaxy Premium version is beautiful for you. But with this, you can do many things what you want. More years later, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is born on 2013. As you see, the difference is here. The difference on the OS is also here. Wow, when you do this, look at that. You can move like that to your beautiful Windows. And when you do this, look at that. Now you can move like that on a beautiful Windows. This is the evolution and the revolution. And under you can see a beautiful thing that you need to have on your phone to access to your phone. And here you can see also many things to see on your phone what you want. Okay, wow, it's so practical, successful. As you see, it's so good and so nice. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get ready for more videos. God bless you, bro. God bless you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today and let's go for the next video. This is the ultimate comparison between the both phone. Subscribe today. I like you so much. Let's do it. Look at that now. Look at that. Let's go. Subscribe today.